In my previous video, the part 1 of my array methods explained series, I explained the find method of arrays. In this video, I'm going to explain the findIndex method of arrays. The findIndex method is similar to the find method. While the find method loops through an array to find and return the first item in the array that meets a specified condition, the findIndex method returns the index of that first item. If it doesn't find any item that meets the condition, the findIndex method returns -1. I'm going to show you what this means in code using the examples from the find method video. So I'll have constant string in array, and then I have array.findIndex, and in here I'm going to pass a callback function with a parameter. I'll call this item, and I'm going to return type of item is equal to string. So this is going to loop through the array, find the first item that meets this condition, and it's going to return the index of that item. I'll do the same thing for another example, array in array. I'll call findIndex again, item, and here the condition will be array.isArray item. Then I come down here and console log string in array, array in array. When I come to this place and I run this JavaScript file with node test, you can see that the result of the first one is 2 and the result of the second one is -1. So why is the result of string in array 2? Because during the loop, the findIndex checks this. Does this meet the condition? No, it doesn't. Then it proceeds. It comes here. Does it meet the condition? No, it doesn't. Then it comes here. Does this meet the condition? Oh, yes, it does. But what is the index of this item? It is 2, because index of this is 0, index of this is 1, and the index of this is 2. As for the second one, it checks this condition again for every item. This item doesn't meet. This item is not an array. This is also not an array. This is also not an array, and this is not an array, so it returns -1. Also, similar to the find method, when the findIndex method finds the first item that meets the condition, it stops the loop immediately. What do I mean by this? So let's say I come here and I console.log item. If I come to this place and I run node test, you can see that number 1 is logged, which is the first item. Because this doesn't meet the condition, the loop continues. It goes to 2, console log 2, 2 is here. Because 2 also doesn't meet the condition, it proceeds to the next item, which is hello, and it logs hello to the console, which is here. But because hello passes that condition, then the loop does not continue anymore to the remaining 2 items. It stops there and it returns the index of that item that it finds. But in the case of array in array, where it doesn't find that item, it's going to go from the beginning here to the end here before it returns -1. So like I said, the findIndex method of arrays finds and returns the index of the first item in an array that meets a condition. If it doesn't find that item, it's going to return -1. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and also subscribe for more simplified content, and also look forward to more array methods I'll be explaining in this series.